Hello everyone, we will make some beautiful crafts using the paper cuttings like this. So watch the video till the end and follow along. So here we will take a red color paper and draw the flowers on it like this. Now draw the frills inside it like this. Now take a scissor and cut it very carefully. Remove the between part and then cut it from the sides as well. Cut it very carefully and properly. Now open it and your painting or the drawing craft is ready. Next, take a red color paper and fold it in the shape shown. Now draw the designs on it using black pen like this and remove the middle parts and the sides and your craft is ready. Next, we'll take another red sheet and fold it. Now again fold it and draw the lines on it like this. Now remove the middle part, open it and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will make a bird. So first, we will take a red color paper, cut it and draw the bird on it like this. Now using the scissors, we will cut it from the sides and from the middle as well. And your painting or the craft is ready. Look how beautiful it's looking. Next, we will make some more few designs. So fold the paper like this. Now after folding it, we will make the designs on it using blue marker. So for this craft, your folding style is mainly important. Fold it carefully and then open it and your craft will be ready. Next, take a red color paper and fold it like this. Fold it from both the sides. Draw the triangle-like shapes using the scales like this. Draw some more designs. Cut it and it's ready. So watch the video very carefully how we are folding the papers, otherwise you may not get the desired result. Here the folding technique is the main way, now drawing and cutting is the secondary part. So first, fold it and then make the designs, cut it like this, draw different designs of your choice and your craft will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take red color paper and fold it like this. Now draw the circles on it and then after we will cut it from the between. You can use these cuttings to decorate the tables or the crafts as shown in the video. And your craft is ready. Next, we will take a red color paper and draw the bunny on it. Draw its tail, legs, eyes and its ears. Now cut it as shown in the video and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take a red color paper, fold it from both the sides. Now draw the circles, flowers on it using black marker. Using small blade or the scissors, cut it very carefully and your craft is ready. I hope you enjoyed it. Next, take a red color paper, again draw the designs on it. Draw the frill lines, now cut it and your craft is done. Open it very carefully and your flower craft is ready. Next, take a red color paper again and then fold it and then draw the lines on it. So here you can choose any color papers of your choice as you like and draw the lines on it. Now draw it and cut it and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Now we will take the paper and fold it. Now draw the lines again. Draw some small lines, flowers and you can draw any painting of your choice. Cut it out and your painting will be ready. Next, we will make cute bunnies like these. So take the papers and fold it for 3 to 4 times. Now using the cap, draw the circles like this. Draw its half body and then cut it. Now open it and your bunnies will be ready. Thanks for watching.